NATO has listed China as one of its strategic priorities for the first time, saying Beijing's ambitions and its coercive policies challenge the Western bloc's interests, security and values. The alliance's new blueprint, or strategic concept, that lays out its priorities for the next decade, was approved at a leaders' summit in Spain. China is substantially building up its military forces, including nuclear weapons, bullying its neighbors, threatening Taiwan, monitoring and controlling its own citizens through advanced technology, and spreading lies and disinformation. NATO's secretary told reporters, "China is not our adversary," he added, "but we must be clear-eyed about the serious challenges it represents." In response, China on Thursday said it firmly opposed NATO's declaration, calling it a completely futile warning.